Hey Bugger fans, this is my Treasure X video. So today we are opening up this gooey creature who spits. Actually doesn't spit. Goo. We open it up its guts here, and then we can cut its head off, and then I can squeeze it. Then you'll see some really gross stuff.
Well, let's open up the box.
Okay, I've been waiting for all day. Yeah.
What's in there?
I don't know. Guys, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Sorry. I can't open. Oh, a cameraman's doing it. The cameraman actually bought that, which was actually AKA my dad. Severe Poker fans, you're about to see this creature get guts.
Yeah. Bingo.
It's hard. Oh, come on.
Hey, turn it around. The knife thing, turn the knife around. Oh, never mind. You got it right.
Oh. This is hard. Oh, shoot. It's easier this way. Well, I can see his guts. Daddy, can we... I'm sorry, but I had to... Actually, I had to cut his head off first. Just his squishy head. Oh. Oh, you guys, I can already see the ribcage. Oh, it's getting a little clingy. I can see it. Oh, guys, there we go. Come on. Come on.
Ugh.
There's no slime in there.
You gotta cut that thing right there open.
What? What open?
Where that dotted line is.
I don't know.
Yeah, let's pause it for a second. Yeah.
And I haven't seen the Hunter yet, but there's Hunter. If you guys seen the commercial, then you have seen the Hunter. Oh, okay, I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it.
Ugh.
I don't know what Hunter I got, but the commercial said it was built. I have it. Oh, come on. Guys. Oh, snap. Who do we got? Who do we got? Oh. Who do we got?
Ugh.
Oh, God. That's gross. Yeah, guys, you probably want to say. Oh, my gosh. It can't be. Get out. Yeah.
Did that thing eat that?
Ew.
Ugh.
Come on, let's cut that. Oh! Try to cut it. Okay, go. Oh, come on. Whee! Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's organs. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. I'm holding an alien ball right now. I found it from a planet far, far away. See, not. It's so slippery. I think we either got a ghost hunter. Ugh.
Ugh.
Dude.
Here, get that off my hand.
You touched it. I gotta get some of this. Ew. Guys, there's a piece in there.
Here.
Oh, sweet.
Here, I got it open a little bit. Open it up.
Oh, I can't. I gotta. Here's a little alien thing I found. I'll be right back. Oh. Daddy, when I say I'll be right back, that means you gotta put on some music. Like while I'm gone. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh! Dang, this guy never blows. Guys, I don't like this stuff as much. Always got laser eye vision. Ew. So we'll just pretend nothing happened. And I just got it on. I'll be right back.
Okay.
It's oh my! It's a smartwatch. Guys, it's okay. Yeah. Looks like it's legendary.
What is it?
I don't know. Pucker fans, comment down below if you know what this thing is. And here is something extremely dangerous in space that you probably don't want to mess with. Okay? Pucker fans, this thing. Oh wow, it's sticked. It's sticky. And it's called the intraversal. And it sucks human blood. And we need to put this somewhere safe. Get off. Guys, don't worry, it didn't hurt nobody.
What else you need to show me?
We got Trakar, our bone friend that we found in this ooze. See? And cut.
Yes, I'm out.
This is Puggo signing off for now. Pound it, noggin. Pound it, noggin. See ya.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to not miss an episode. And we'll see ya on the next one.